Instead of saying big, you can say huge, massive, or enormous. Instead of saying small, you can say tiny, petite, miniature. Instead of saying fast, you can say quick, speedy, rapid. Instead of saying slow, you can say sluggish, leisurely, or unhurried. Instead of saying easy, you can say simple, effortless, or straightforward. Instead of saying hard, you can say difficult or challenging, tough. Instead of saying smart, you can say clever, intelligent, or sharp. Instead of saying dumb, you can say foolish, silly, or unwise. Instead of using strong, you can use powerful, sturdy, or robust. Instead of saying weak, you can say frail, feeble, or delicate. Instead of saying it's good, you can say it's excellent. Instead of saying it's bad, you can say it's terrible. Instead of saying I am shy, you can say I am reserved. Instead of saying it's boring, you could say it's dull. Instead of saying I'm nervous, you can say I'm apprehensive. Instead of using it's useful, you can use it's beneficial. Instead of saying I'm calm, you can say I'm serene. Instead of saying it's messy, you can say it's chaotic. Instead of using it's weak, you can use it's fragile. Instead of saying abbreviative, you can say shorten. Instead of using ability, you can use skill. Instead of using able, you can use capable. Instead of using abundant, you can use ample. Instead of using correct, you can use accurate. Instead of saying achieve, you can say accomplish. Instead of using firm, you can say adamant. Instead of saying add, you can use increase. Instead of using sufficient, you can say adequate. Instead of using the word aggressive, you can say assertive. Instead of using the word help, you can use aid. Instead of using the word beginner, you can use amateur instead. Okay, that concludes today's lesson. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more daily lessons and contents. Feel free to leave a comment. Until next video, stay safe.